I want us to pause for a moment and reflect on these words. Is there anything we have in this world that we were born with? Is there anything that wasn't given to us? Even if it's fame, position, or title, we didn't always have this. As simple as the name we bear, it was given. Don't call me by my name, you're too small to address me. Some say this even to men and women older than them. I once heard the story of a young apprentice who worked in a tailor's shop. He started with nothing, no money, no skill, just a willing heart. Every morning he watched his master work, patiently cutting, sewing, and smiling through it all. After years of learning, the apprentice finally became a skilled tailor. One day a customer praised him, saying, "You are the best tailor in town." Proudly he smiled and said, "I worked hard for this." But later that evening, as he packed up his tools, he saw the old scissors his master had gifted him years ago. He paused and whispered to himself, "Even this skill, someone taught me. Even these tools, someone gave me." That moment humbled him. He realized that no one truly stands alone. Every blessing, every opportunity, every lesson, someone played a part in it. And so we must learn to be grateful for whatever it is we have. I learned from this story. It's important to know that in truly acknowledging whatever position we attain in life as non-deserving, we find a way to live a life of humility. Your pride doesn't get you anything. If anything at all, it makes you unteachable, uncorrectable, and uninstructable. And you need this. We all need directions, we need guidance, and they come in form of teaching, correction, and instruction. But pride and arrogance are two enemies of growth and invariably success. So today I challenge you. Choose to let pride out and let in meekness and humility. Know this, they will lay the foundation for tomorrow's success.